Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Chairman of the Executive Board of Porsche AG, Oliver Blume.
What a fantastic moment and what an incredible place to present this car. Good evening and a warm welcome to all of you. It's wonderful to be here in Singapore, in the famous gardens by the bay. We are gathered in a place where dreams come true, in a spot where nature and technology allow us to experience unique moments. Take a look at these artificial super trees. They convert sunlight into energy with photovoltaic cells and make this place glow at night. Singapore is an innovation hub. It's a green megacity and it's opening the door to the future. A future with a new star, the new all-electric Macan. We are showing this car during Singapore Art Week with the impressive artwork of Marc Fornes. The car and the sculpture have two things in common. They combine state-of-the-art technology with innovative design and the pursuit of perfection. That's the true art of engineering. We are making history once again with the launch of our second all-electric model following the Taycan. The Macan has been on an outstanding journey since 2013 with more than 800,000 customers worldwide. Today, our bestseller is going electric. Porsche is taking the Macan to a new level in three ways. First, e-performance. Second, Porsche driver experience. And third, expressive design. The all-electric Macan sets new standards for e-performance, a benchmark in the SUV segment. The perfect car for a new age of mobility. A car that exceeds expectations. Its capabilities are unique in its class, with high-performance fast charging, with up to 270 kilowatts and a range up to 613 kilometers. At the beginning, the Macan will be available in two versions, Macan 4 and the top-of-the-range Macan Turbo, with acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in only 3.3 seconds and a top speed of 260 kilometers per hour. An exceptional car that performs on any surface. Now, let's talk about the Porsche driver experience. The new Macan is full of innovations, a technology carrier. The new generation of the infotainment system enables high-performance connectivity with an augmented reality head-up display, with a Porsche App Center for downloading third-party apps, with super-fast route planning and exceptional charging management. This transformation takes us to a new level. I've read something interesting about the new Macan. Let me briefly quote from it. It's a car that performs like a Porsche, but behaves like a smartphone. It's about performance on the road and performance in the digital world. Moreover, Porsche offers countless options. Customers can create their own Macan in terms of colors, exclusive features, and sustainable materials in selected components, and all in highest quality. Porsche is attracting new target groups. Our Porsche family is getting younger and more female, especially here in Asia. The new Macan is cool, digital, and ready for exciting new experiences. That's why we are here today in the gardens by the bay. The Macan is a true sports car. It demonstrates our ambitious goals for the ramp-up of electromobility. Our journey started with the Taycan. Up to now, we have delivered almost 140,000 units and over 40,000 in 2023. Electromobility and Porsche is a perfect fit with a consistent product strategy. The new Taycan will come very soon, followed by the 718 and the all-electric Cayenne, and many more to come. Porsche has a global presence: Europe, the United States, and China, and strong growth in the overseas markets, like Southeast Asia. Last year, these markets accounted for more than 16% of our total sales. Southeast Asia is a future powerhouse for Porsche. This is why Singapore is a perfect stage for our new Macan. The world is changing. Today, we are in a place where change can be seen in every direction. Green skyscrapers, a jungle in the middle of the city, renewable energy. Singapore is transforming into a green megacity, a role model for successful transformation. And now, it's time to take a look closer. Watch out for our 3 game changers: e-performance, the Porsche driver experience, and expressive design.
The all-electric Porsche Macan is now being launched. Its sharper proportions and Porsche design DNA give the new Macan a high-performance dominant look. We have a flat bonnet with pronounced wings, 2-part headlights with daytime running lights on top, and the main headlights with optional matrix LED technology below. A typical Porsche flyline, frameless doors, and a light strip with a 3D look in the rear. Porsche combines its design DNA with aerodynamics optimized for range. With its Porsche active aerodynamics, the new Macan is one of the most streamlined SUVs. We have fully variable cooling air flaps, a completely closed underbody, flow-optimized wheel designs, and an adaptive rear spoiler. This enables us to achieve our top drag coefficient of 0.25. It is 4.78 meters long, 1.94 meters wide, and 1.62 meters high. There's enough space in the front luggage compartment for the charging equipment or a travel bag. Inside, there's room for the whole family and the luggage, plus a towing capacity of up to 2 tons. The new Macan is the highest performing model in its segment, offering e-performance typical to Porsche, reproducible driving figures, high-performance fast charging, and a range suitable for long journeys. The turbo achieves up to 470 kilowatts and 1130 Newton-meters off torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds and has a top speed of 260 kilometers per hour. The turbo has a range of up to 591 kilometers, with the range of the Macan 4 going up to 613 kilometers. A powerful battery and high charging capacity are decisive when traveling fast. We use a high-voltage battery with an energy content of 100 kilowatts per hour, 95% of which we can use. We can charge with up to 270 kilowatts at an 800-volt fast charging station. This allows us to charge the battery from 10 to 80% in around 21 minutes, and we can regenerate with up to 240 kilowatts while driving. We use powerful PSM motors on the front and rear axles that allow us to distribute the power variably between the front and the rear. We have rear axle steering with a steering angle of up to 5 degrees, a rear axle differential lock, adaptive air suspension, and damping control with 2-valve technology. This enables us to achieve a wide spectrum between sports car performance and traveling comfort. The new Macan is full of innovations. For the first time, we are offering a head-up display with augmented reality. On request, the passenger can now also have their own screen. The new generation of the infotainment system enables powerful connectivity functions. Speech commands and route planning are implemented with lightning speed. Apps from third-party providers can now also be downloaded via our App Center. It was important to us to have a low seat position and a good view of the 12.6-inch curved display. We developed the Macan with a sharp focus on the driving dynamics typical to Porsche and a precise steering experience. The all-electric version is a performance-oriented SUV with great everyday usability, high-quality equipment, and plenty of space.